In this video we will go over the steps to adjust the date and time on the Relion Premier Classic Blood Glucose Meter. Let's turn the meter on by pressing the middle button. The first step is to enter the meter's settings mode. Press and hold the middle button for 3 seconds. Set is displayed on the screen. Press the middle button again to go to the next step. The number that appears is the year. Using the arrow button, adjust the year. The forward arrow increases the number and the back arrow decreases the number. After setting the year, press the middle button to confirm the selection and go to the next step. Next, the month will blink on the bottom left corner of the screen. Using the arrow button, adjust the month. Press the middle button to confirm the selection and go to the next step. The next setting is for the date. Press the arrow buttons until blinking number shows the correct date. Press the middle button to confirm the date and go to the next step. Next, we have an option to select the 12-hour or the 24-hour clock format. Press the arrow button to select a format and press the middle button to move forward. Next, the hour will blink. Adjust the hour as needed and confirm the selection to proceed further. Next, the minute will blink and you can similarly change the minute as needed. Press the middle button to confirm and move forward. There are a few more setting options that can be similarly changed, but we will be pressing and holding the middle button for 3 seconds to confirm all settings and to exit the set mode. So this is how to adjust the date and time on Relion Premier Classic Blood Glucose Meter. Thanks for watching.